think that this is my favorite place that I have ever woken up. Just gonna grab a coffee, but honestly, take a look at this view because I can't believe there are places that are this beautiful. All right, let's go outside because it's a dream. I honestly went for a beach walk last night and I cried because it was so beautiful. So I'm in a good mood. I am excited to vlog. There is nothing better than the ocean breeze. We have been over in Sumba for a couple of weeks now. We're filming a bunch of different things, and I'll probably do a whole different vlog taking you behind the scenes of shooting our Aligned Summer campaign. Today I really wanted to do a summer glow up routine vlog. I am such a summer person. It's my favorite season. And I feel like it's this season all about living life, you know, like feeling your best, making the most of every single day. So, you know, for me with my workouts, I really want to be doing the workouts that are making me feel energized, confident, really fit and healthy. I always want to be eating foods that are making me glow from the inside out and making me feel really like light and vibrant. So today I thought I would really get specific with you guys, show you exactly what I'm eating, how I'm working out to have the ultimate summer glow up. I'm going to drink my coffee and then we are going to get into a workout. Something that I try to do every single morning is a morning walk because I feel like it really sets the tone for the day. I like it because it wakes up my body, but more than anything, it's about taking time to really connect to myself. And I love to listen to either a playlist that just has kind of vibey songs, or I'm gonna do one of my walking meditations. And I love this because it kind of gives me different affirmations and visualization tools that I feel like help me to embody that more inspired and motivated energy heading into my day. My entire summer workout plan is 20-minute workouts. I feel like 20-minute workouts are such a game changer, especially in summer because I'm so busy, I'm socializing more, I have all these things that I want to do. I want to be spending all this time, you know, outside, making the most of each day. So just fitting in a 20-minute workout that is quick, effective, is going to really target the right muscles, boost my energy and have me feeling good is key for me. I used to really spend hours and hours in the gym, and honestly, I just felt like I was wasting a lot of my life spending time indoors working out. So for me, doing a quick 20-minute workout at home has been the biggest game changer for me. So today for my workout, I did one of the routines that I have filmed for the Aligned Summer Challenge. It's a 2-week program and it's all about 20-minute workouts, really quick and effective to boost your energy, target your muscles, and have you feeling really good and set up for the day, help you stay consistent during summer. So I will link that program below. There's a bunch of new workouts, walking meditations to really set you up. And I think now it's time to get a little bit of lunch. I am ready for some food. I just got a salad delivered for lunch and I'm so excited to eat this. It has avocado, so great healthy fats, and then it has roast pumpkin, so nice complex carbs, tons of different veggies, as well as a little bit of feta cheese, some tempeh, so I'm getting that protein in there as well. And that's what I really like to focus on with my meals is I always try to have a meal that's going to help balance my blood sugar because that's what really helps to keep my energy levels stable and make sure that I'm nourishing my body. I'm also, you know, making sure I get a really balanced meal each time that I eat. And I feel like it gives me more energy. Having all those vitamins and minerals from like fresh whole foods is what has helped me to get my skin glowing and really just to feel my best, feel more energized every day. I get asked a lot how I stay motivated to eat healthy, and really it's because it makes me feel so good. But of course, It is summer, and summer is all about balance. So, if I do want to go out and have drinks with friends or go out for dinner, of course I'm going to do that. Make the most of it. Really, summer is all about balance. So I try to make healthy choices, whenever I can, but it also leaves room for me to indulge in different things. And I think that that's so important, is to really ditch that all or nothing mindset. For me, it's taken a lot of work to get there. But now that I really, I'm not looking at foods as good or bad, just focusing on doing my best each day, giving my body what it needs, and letting myself enjoy those different treats, if you want to call them treats. It has really just helped my relationship with food so much and really allows me to feel good every day. Something that I'm really trying to do this summer is make more out of each day. I can spend a lot of time just inside working and saying no to anything that isn't that. But for me, summer is all about saying yes, taking every opportunity, making the most of each day, and really starting to romanticize my life more, embody that sort of more main character energy. I actually saw a TikTok the other day that was imagine you're watching your favorite movie and the main character is just sitting inside on their phone all day. It wouldn't be a very interesting movie. Now look at your life, right? It made me think so much. Life is all about experiences and making the most of each day and really doing the things that are gonna fill your cup, give you energy. So for me, summer is all about that. It's about saying yes, having more fun, making more of life, doing the things that make me feel my best. And I think having that kind of mindset, it just will give you so much energy and make your life even more magical than it already is. So that is something that I am working on. It's actually been nice because there is no Wi-Fi here. So I've been having a bit of a social media detox and really just spending time doing the things that make me feel good, filming workouts, creating programs, creating meditations. And I feel like I'm in such a good headspace that I really want to carry this into summer and keep this energy going. And, hopefully that you are feeling inspired and ready for summer yourself. I am going to go on a little sunset walk with Hunty, enjoy some time together. And I hope you'll love this vlog. But thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And I am going to link the Align Summer Challenge for you. So it has recipes, workouts, mindset, walking meditations, and you will totally love it if you have loved everything in this video. And I will see you in the next one.